We're always being told we need to eat more fruits and vegetables, right? But let's be real. Who actually has the time for all that? Well, today we're going to dive into a really simple way to tackle one of the biggest challenges in modern health.
And I mean, really, every single day? Just think about your last week, with everything we have going on, work, family, just life. Getting all that good plant-based nutrition our bodies are craving can feel, well, pretty much impossible. And it turns out, that feeling you have, it's backed up by some seriously eye-opening data.
Get this. Only 1 out of every 10 adults is actually hitting the mark for the recommended amount of produce each day. 1 in 10. That's a huge disconnect, and it creates this problem that honestly affects almost all of us. Experts have a name for this. They call it the nutritional gap. It's basically this giant canyon between what our bodies are designed to run on and the fuel we're actually putting in the tank day after day. So what on earth are we supposed to do about it?
Okay, so this is where a company called Juice Plus comes into the picture. And just so you know, the plus at the end is silent. They call themselves the Proactive Wellness Company, and their entire mission is to offer a simple, elegant solution to this exact problem.
So here's the key idea. Their whole focus is on bridging that nutritional gap. This isn't about replacing your salads or your morning fruit, not at all. It's about giving you a simple tool to help you get all that powerful plant-based nutrition you might be missing out on. And one of their best tools for the job is this, the superfood powder. We're talking concentrated nutrition from 30 different plants, fruits, berries, veggies, all packed into one easy-to-make and actually delicious drink. The whole goal is just to make getting that daily nutrition as simple as it can possibly be. Now, of course, in the world of wellness, you hear a lot of claims. But claims are one thing, proof is everything. And this is really where Juice Plus works hard to stand out. Their whole philosophy is right here, proven by science and felt by you. And they don't take that lightly. I mean, check out this quote. This isn't just some marketing slogan. It's a commitment to building trust through real, tangible evidence from independent third-party research. And here's the proof in the pudding. Just look at this number. Over 40 peer-reviewed scientific publications. We're not talking about company-funded marketing pieces. These are legitimate clinical studies on the actual finished products, done at top-tier universities and hospitals all over the world. That level of research is incredibly rare in this space. So, what does all that research actually show? Well, these gold standard studies have demonstrated a whole range of benefits, showing that the products can help support things like your heart health, a stronger immune system, better skin health, and a whole lot more. And it's not just the scientists in the lab who are on board. A growing number of doctors, nurses, and other health professionals actually use and recommend these products themselves for their families and for their patients. That says a lot. And if you need one more layer of confidence, here it is. We're talking about rigorous third-party certifications from globally respected organizations like NSF. These seals mean the products have been tested and verified for purity, quality, and safety. It's just that extra peace of mind so you know what's on the label is exactly what's in the product. Okay, so we've established the science is rock solid. But how does this actually fit into your real, busy, everyday life? Let's take a look at just how simple this daily habit can be. Seriously, it is this easy. You just tear open a packet, mix it with some water in a shaker cup, or even just with a spoon, and you're good to go. There's no juicing, no blender to clean, no mess. It's literally designed for convenience so you can get that nutrient boost whether you're at your kitchen table or running out the door. And what I think is so cool about this is that it's not just another greens powder. It's a full rainbow of plants. Why does that matter? Well, because all those different colored plants, the reds, the purples, the oranges, they all provide a huge variety of different phytonutrients, which are these amazing natural compounds our bodies need to thrive. So what really makes it stand out? Well, first off, the taste. It's a nutritious drink you'll actually look forward to drinking. Second, there's what they call the multiplier effect, this incredible synergy where all those different plant ingredients work together to provide even greater benefits. And finally, it's all whole food based, made from high-quality, non-GMO produce. So, if this idea of simply and effectively bridging your own nutritional gap is starting to resonate with you, let's talk about the best way for you to get your questions answered and maybe learn a little more. A fantastic person to connect with is Helene Matthews, and her first name is pronounced Helene. She is an absolute expert in this proactive wellness approach and can really give you that personalized information. You can reach her directly by phone at 208-5109. Or you can check out her website at helene7.juiceplus.com. And for even more great information on all things related to health, wellness, fitness, you should definitely go check out the resources over at naturesmart.us. It's a fantastic site just packed with valuable content. So I want to leave you with this one final thought. Our daily habits, the little things we do every day, they are literally writing the story of our health. By making small, simple, and consistent choices, like adding a boost of powerful plant nutrition, we're giving our bodies better tools to build a better story. The only question is, what kind of story are you going to choose to write? Thanks so much for joining me.